Breaking the pig. Dad wouldn't buy me a Bart Simpson doll. Mum actually said yes, but Dad said I was spoiled. "Why should we, eh?" he said to Mum. "Why should we buy him one? All it takes is one little squeak from him and you'll jump to attention." Dad said I had no respect for money, that if I didn't learn it when I was young, when would I? Kids who get Bart Simpson dolls too easily grow up to be louts who steal from kiosks because they're used to getting whatever they want the easy way. So instead of a Bart Simpson doll, he bought me an ugly china pig with a flat hole in its back. And now I'll grow up to be okay. I won't be a lout.